For this berry smoothie, I started off with some pitted dates inside of my Vitamix, and then I'm adding in some fresh raspberries, and you can add in frozen as well. I added in like about 2 cups of fresh raspberries, and then I'm adding in some blueberries I got from a blueberry farm. They are delicious. And then I followed that by adding in some ginger, and instead of just lime juice, I just peeled the lime and added in basically the whole lime. And I added a little bit of sea moss to it because I didn't take it separately. So since I was drinking it this morning, I added in some sea moss gel to this mixture, and then I added in the goji berries. Now we add in our liquid, which is coconut water. I used the Harmless Harvest brand. It's organic coconut water that tastes really good and pure. So I add that, and then once that's in the blender, we go ahead and give it a good mix until you reach your desired consistency, and we get ready to pour and enjoy. I hope you guys like this alkalizing, very full of antioxidant smoothie. Is so delicious and so good for you. I hope you give it a shot. Let me know what you guys think, and have a beautiful day.